How to stop App Store asking for password on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up your settings. Inside your scroll below, then tap on Face ID and Passcode. Type in your Face ID passcode. And just like that, inside your scroll below. Now, under Face ID 4, make sure you turn on iTunes and App Store. Now, downloads will authenticate your Face ID or Touch ID instead of typing your passcode. After that, head back to settings again, tap on screen time. Scroll below, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now, make sure this button is turned on. After that, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. And inside here, make sure installing app is set to allow. And then in-app purchases is set to allow too. Now back out, go to require password and set it to don't allow if available. Now, if it's still asking for your password, you can simply sign out and sign back in again. Head back to your settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll down, tap on sign out, and then restart your iPhone. Sign back in, and after that, you can try downloading one app again. If it asks for your password when buying paid apps, subscribing, or making purchases, that's normal for Apple. But you can still make it painless by using your Face ID or Touch ID. That is how you stop the App Store from asking for your password on iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.